Hi everyone. Today we'll go through the chapter 1 rational numbers exercise 1.2. Before going to that exercise, I think many of you don't have any types of textbook. So I will provide you a link for downloading all types of NCERT textbook from that link. I will try to give you that link in all my videos. So you can find that in my description. Today in the second exercise, first question is that represent that given rational number on the number line. So here we have 7 upon 4. So how we can represent that on the rational number? So here we have denominator as a 4. So we write here 4 in the whole denominator. So this will become the same type of rational number. So we can notify that 7 upon 4 it we can locate here. As same for the this number minus, so we will notify that minus 1 2 3 4 and 5 on the number line, and then after we will write the denominator as a 6 on all of this number, and we will notify that minus 1 upon minus 5 upon 6 is at here. So we have notified that both number on the rational number on the number line. Next one is that represent as three rational numbers on the number line. So same, we can notify that also as minus 1 from the 0 to the left side, minus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now we'll write a denominator everywhere as 11 in the whole of the denominator. Now we can notify that minus 2 upon 11 is at here, so we can notify it's A. Minus 5 upon 11 is here, so it called B, and minus 9 upon 11 is here at C. So we have find out there's all rational numbers on the number line and notified as A, B and C as per the question. In the question 3, write 5 rational numbers less than 2. So simply we can write that less than 2, that means 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Infinitely there's all will be less than the 2. So if write here in the denominator 1, so there's all will become a rational number. So here I have many of these numbers at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We can find it that way many of the rational numbers. On the question 4, before going on the fourth question, just I want to remind that mean of the rational number, which number we can that say the rational number is in P upon Q form, is called a rational number where Q is never equal to 0. That means Q should be any of the number other than 0, so it can be a rational number. Now 10 rational numbers between minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. So how can we find in between rational numbers is that first that both numbers are not as same as per than its denominator. So we'll take its LCM and make it same as per its denominator. So minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. Its LCM become an 10. So we'll multiply here 2 and 2, 5 and 5. So it will become n perfectly in the same denominator. So it will be a minus 4 upon 10 and 5 upon 10. So here we can count. There will be about 9 of the number between this number, but we need an 10 rational number. So just check that. After that 4 we have minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have a 9 of that rational number, but we need a 10 rational number. So what we can do for that is, whenever we have requirement of the between number, at that time we'll multiply in that numerator and denominator 5 upon 10. Here we have 9 rational number, but we need 10. So here reason 1 will be remain. So whatever rational number we needed, here we need one more. So whenever we have any type of required rational number, we'll write one more of that number. We have here required one number, so we'll write here two number on both side. So it become an minus 8 upon 20 and 10 upon 20. So we can say that between these two number there is many of the rational number between these two number is minus 7, minus 6, 5, 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Here everywhere we will write an 20 in the denominator of these all numbers. So find out here between numbers which will be 10 or more than 10. In the next one, find the 5 rational numbers between 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. So whenever we need in between rational number, at that time we'll simplify that. Simply we have in same way for the all types of rational number is that we'll make an all denominator in the same manner. That means we'll find its LCM to make its denominator same. So here we have LCM is 15. So I will multiply this 3 with the 5, so it becomes 15. So here also I have to multiply 5 and here 3 and 3. So it's become 10 upon 15 and 12 upon 15. So you can find that it has only 2 between number. So here is 10 and 11 number is there, means 2 number is there, but we have 5 numbers. So remaining is 3. 3 number will be remain between these two forms. So I will multiply 10 upon 15 with the 4. That means whichever number we have required, there is a 3, so we will write always one number more than that required number. We have required number 3, but we will write here 4 always. So I will get here 40, here 60, and here 48 upon 60. So we can find that there are more than 5 rational numbers between these two numbers is 41, 42, 43, 45, 46. Every year is a 60. Till the 48 upon 60 and starting from the 40 to 60. These all are the between number for that two rational numbers. At that way we can find any of that between rational numbers. And here in question 6, 5 rational numbers which are greater than minus 2. So simply as on the number line we know that greater than minus 2 is in minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. These all are greater than minus 2. And we need a rational number, so we will write here 1, 1 and 1 in the all of that denominator, so it become a rational number. And these all rational numbers are bigger than 2, minus 2. Now for the question 7, 10 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 4. So simple, as we do every time, we will take its an LCM of that 5 and 4. So its LCM become an 20. So 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 4. And our LCM is 20, so we have to make denominator in the form of the 20, so we will multiply here 4. So here also 4, and I want here 20, so I have to multiply it by 5. So numerator also multiply with the 5. So I'll get that number 12 upon 20 and 15 upon 20. So here I can find that I have that number is 13, 14 and 15. Only 3 number is there, but we need an 10 numbers between that. So how many numbers will be remain is there? So I need more 7 number, because I have 3 numbers and I have to be 10 number. So I need more 7 number in this sequence. I have 7 numbers, so I will multiply here more 1 in that 7. So I will multiply here 8 as every time we write. Whichever number we required between these two number, we will write just next to that number, that means more 1 number to multiply this with both rational number to find out that between numbers. So in the first 12 at the 96, here 160 and here 120, and our LCM is simplification of this denominator is 160. So I can say that we have here more than 10 number between these rational numbers. So is that 96 upon 162, 97, 98 till the 120 upon 160. Here I have in between numbers from that two rational numbers.